Today I'm in DPS Bijnor and my name is Dr.Veena K. Arora. I am the founder of 3T, Trying Through Training Private Limited, and I'm here with one of my clients, that is Cambridge University Press. And today I conducted a workshop on profile building and career counseling. But before that, if I have to speak about myself, I have 30 years of experience as a teacher, as a lecturer, professor, and I've been working in India and abroad. And in 2012, I started with my own company, that is 3T, Trying Through Training Private Limited. So that's about me. And in the workshop today, we talked about how the profile of students, the academic profile, can be built from scratch. So we covered many different points like their academic achievements need to be developed and put into the profiles. Secondly, we also talked about projects and some volunteering work that they can do. Besides that, we also discussed co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities and the importance, and of course reference, how letters of recommendations can help them get admissions in good universities, colleges, or even some scholarships, or in the best of universities in the world. So this was the topic today. What I really liked about the students of DPS Bijnor was that they were very interactive, they were very attentive listeners, and because they were listening so well, they were asking me a lot of intelligent questions. Like, I still remember one of the boys, he said, "Ma'am, what's the difference between a psychologist and a psychiatrist?" which was really nice. And another girl, she asked me about IQ, EQ, and MQ as soft skills and how they can be developed in students. So I'm really impressed by their cognitive abilities, and it was very well coordinated. And principal ma'am gave her full time, and when the top of the institution is so interested in such type of workshops, others also get motivated to pay attention. So thank you so much.
Today, there was a workshop of profile building and career counseling in our school that was very helpful and fruitful for us. From that workshop, I came to know that what and how I have to do in my future. It was very knowledgeable for us, and I would like to thank my school for arranging this workshop. Thank you.
We had a workshop on profile building and career counseling. The workshop was so good and interesting, and ma'am told us many things like volunteering, how to build a strong profile, what things we have to do to build a strong profile, and many other things. Thank you.
The workshop was awesome, and we have learned about the main aspects and benefits of profile building, and we have learned about different famous personalities of different persons through different ads and advertisements. Thank you. Today in our school, we have a session with Dr.Veena K ma'am regarding the profile building as well as the career counseling. In this session, I have learned that you should be a lifelong learner to achieve something. You should do internships and have to face various experiences to be a successful person in your life. At last, the session was phenomenal and she was a very nice lady. Thank you.
Of these quiz right the first thing in the morning. So can somebody tell me, so analyze and give me the answer. Why? Okay, the same persons. Anyone else? Yes.
Someone else.
Somebody else? Yeah.
Ma'am, I think to test our knowledge and how much we know about these famous personalities.
Okay, very good. So one is knowledge testing. Ready to do that?
Yes.
There's never a person who says, "I have not worked hard, but I have become extraordinary."